Welcome to West Quick Tips and Trick Cooking Channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावध आनी भलायकेन. So today I am going to show you all how to make Goan curry, fish curry, that is Goan Kapi fish curry. So this is Kapi, okay, the smallest one. It's pony, I think so in English. So I'm going to make some curry and some fry. So first thing, how much I need, I will take for a curry. So I will take around 6. I will take. So 6 to 8 I will take for curry, and I've already applied salt, the first marination, and kept it for 30 minutes. Same way with this. So afterwards I will show you what masala and all. So first thing we will see about our curry. तो बाजारान गेल्ली आयज हांव आनी म्हाका मेवल्यो खापी, ताज्यो खापी, आनी ताका लागून हांवें म्हटलें चलो खापी एज करुया. ओके, what else you need? So I have taken 1.5 coconut today. Okay, 1.5 coconut, grated coconut, and then 2 onions, then 2 Kashmiri chilies and 5 Goan local chilies, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a little bit of a small piece of tamarind, 1 green chili which I will be slitting and putting, so I'll keep this also aside, and few kokum, that also I will keep aside. So let's make. Now we have to only grind this, and this is again without oil, zero oil recipe, no oil for anything. Yeah, so we'll grind this to a fine paste. So आमचे आयन तयार झाले. So here is our masala. Water around 1 to 2 cups. Running egg pop कर लिया. So we'll add 1 more cup. And now we'll keep this on the gas for a cooking. So now the boil is come. Let it get cooked for a while. मातशें शिजोवन हेका मागीर आमी नुस्तें घालया. So after adding our fish, it will take only few minutes. So we'll add our chilies and our fish, and the kokum, salt, and then we will mix this, and we'll cook this for 5 minutes because it gets cooked fast, this fish. Yeah. Now we will cover this. So just 1 to boil, and we will close the gas. Put up the gas. And here is our curry ready. So hope you all will enjoy this quick recipe of curry and it is zero oil. Try this recipe and make it in your kitchen. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां सगल्यांक आवडटली आनी तुमी ही करून खातली. Hope you all will all like this and make this in your kitchen. Thank you so much.
Lovely, tasty Goan Kapi fish curry. Pony fish in English. Goan Kapi Hooman. Enjoy.